We know dinosaurs better than ever before. Paleontologists continue to find new species, naming a new one every 2 weeks or so, and more accurately reconstruct familiar dinosaurs such as Tyrannosaurus and Triceratops. Welcome to our channel. Let's take a look at the top 10 mysterious discoveries about dinosaurs. Number 10. Spinosaurus could swim. Scientists thought for years that Spinosaurus could swim, but had precious few fossils to prove it. The most complete specimen had been destroyed in an Allied bombing raid against Germany during World War II. But now, the analysis of a Spinosaurus tail reveals that the tail was broad and paddle-like, perfect for a swimmer. This discovery is the nail in the coffin for the idea that non-avian dinosaurs never invaded the aquatic realm. Study lead author Nizar Ibrahim, a paleontologist at the University of Detroit, Mercy, said in a statement, "This dinosaur was actively pursuing prey in the water column, not just standing in shallow waters waiting for fish to swim by." Number 9. Best preserved dino stomach. It's challenging to know exactly what herbivorous dinosaurs ate. Leaves and other plant materials don't fossilize well, and even if ancient organic matter is preserved, it's hard to know whether the dinosaur ate it or if the two fossilized side by chance. The discovery of a nodosaur fossil with a well-preserved digestive tract has helped shed light on this mystery. Researchers analyzed the 112-million-year-old beast's fossilized stomach contents and learned that the nodosaur, named Boreapelta markmicheli, was a picky eater, according to the June study in the journal Royal Society Open Science. Number 8. Meet T-Rex's cousin, Reaper of Death. Tyrannosaurus rex has a newfound cousin with a fearsome name, the Reaper of Death, which hails from what is now Alberta, Canada. This 79.5-million-year-old beast, Thanatotherastes degruterum, is the oldest named tyrannosaur on record from North America. It's also the first newly named dinosaur from Canada in 50 years. It definitely would have been quite an imposing animal, roughly 2.4 meters tall at the hips. Jared Voris, a doctoral student of paleontology at the University of Calgary in Alberta and lead researcher of the study, told Live Science in February. Number 7. Dueling dinosaurs sold to a museum. Two famous dinosaur fossils are finally being studied by scientists. The so-called dueling dinosaurs, the fossils of the most complete Tyrannosaurus rex and Triceratops on record, which may have been dueling at the time of their deaths, are going to the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences, following a $6 million deal in November. The 67-million-year-old dueling dinosaurs are getting an extraordinary exhibit that will invite the public and students to get involved as scientists slowly learn about the dinosaurs encased in stone. Number 6. Could duck-billed dinosaurs swim? A newly discovered duck-billed dinosaur named Ajnabia odysseus was found where it shouldn't have been. Its fossils were unearthed in Morocco, a November study found. Duckbills evolved in North America and later made their way to South America, Asia, and Europe. But Africa was an island continent 66 million years ago during the Cretaceous, when A. odysseus was alive. So how did it get there? Did the pony-sized A. odysseus raft to Africa on debris? Did it float or possibly swim there? Your guess is as good as ours. Number 5. Australia's biggest known dinosaur. Nicknamed Cooper, after a nearby creek, the animal's fossils spent more than a decade undergoing scientific study, including 3D scans of the bone surfaces. That long-running analysis, published in June in the journal PeerJ, confirms that the roughly 95-million-year-old dinosaur is a new species, called Australotitan cooperensis. Australotitan is a titanosaurian, a subgroup of the long-necked sauropods that includes the biggest animals that ever walked on land. Australotitan's upper leg bones were at least 6.2 feet long apiece, and the full animal is estimated to have weighed anywhere between 26 and 82 tons in life. Number 4. A strange Chilean dinosaur. More than 72 million years ago, the river deltas of Chilean Patagonia were home to a tough little dinosaur with a unique tail weapon, a mass of fused bone resembling a jagged cricket bat. The fossil skeleton, unveiled in December in the journal Nature, belongs to a newfound type of small-armed dinosaur called Styracosaurus elengasson. The creature is named for its bizarrely shingled roof tail, and an armored beast in the mythology of the Patagonian Aonikenk people. Its novel tail weaponry has now named the macuahuitl after the bladed club wielded by the Aztecs. Number 3. TRex numbered in the billions. As many as 2.5 billion TRex individuals existed over the last 2.5 million years of the Cretaceous period, which was 145 million to 66 million years ago. Before the dinosaur-killing asteroid collided with Earth, researchers looked at all kinds of factors to determine this number, including the dinosaur king's population density, habitat size, generation time, and a total number of generations. That's a lot, especially considering that fewer than 100 fossilized T-Rex individuals are known to science. Number 2. Supersaurus is the longest dinosaur on record. The longest dinosaur on record is the aptly named Supersaurus, which exceeded 128 feet, or 39 meters, and possibly even reached 137 feet, or 42 meters in length, according to unpublished research presented this year at the Society of Vertebrate Paleontology Annual Conference. Supersaurus, discovered in 1972, was always known to be long, with previous estimates putting the plant eater at 111 feet, or 34 meters. But now, newly excavated and analyzed bones revealed just how super this dinosaur was. Number 1. A shark-toothed dinosaur was larger than its rival tyrannosaur. Imagine seeing a big tyrannosaur and thinking it must be the apex predator of its ecosystem. But nope, you'd be wrong, because an even larger dinosaur lumbers into view, and wow, is it big! This beast, the newly described Uzbekisaurus uzbekistanensis, was a so-called shark-toothed dinosaur, or Carcharodontosaur. U. uzbekistanensis lived in what is now Uzbekistan about 90 million years ago. It was 26 feet, or 8 meters long, and weighed 2,200 pounds, or 1,000 kilograms. Put another way, it was twice the length of, and more than 5 times heavier than, the ecosystem's previously known apex predator, the tyrannosaur, Timerlengia. Thanks for watching.